Hey fifth graders, Miss Honig here. I'm coming to you not live, but from my webcam. I finally set it up and now you guys can see me while I'm playing my games. Don't judge me, I've never really done this before, so it's kind of different. Anyways, let's get started. This is exciting because this is the first time we're all coming back as an entire grade level, already knowing Delfino Plaza and parts of Isle Delfino. In your Maydews during week 5, there was an episode over Gelato Beach, and I hope you guys had the chance to watch it. I was super nervous, and I wish I had my webcam set up by then so you guys could see. But anyways, today's lesson is over mixtures and solutions, and I just want to take a moment to stop and look at this one huge solution, which is the ocean, which is made up of salt water. And salt water is made up of sodium chloride. Sodium and chloride are two different elements on the periodic table, and they're also dissolved in hydrogen, or H2O, which is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So that's the first solution I want you guys to take notice of, which is the ocean that surrounds us. I mean, we've got the Gulf of Mexico nearby, and oops, Mario. Which leads me to my next point is I'm gonna go ahead and start collecting different types of fruit. And well, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna chunk it again like that. I'm gonna put them inside of a pile and I'm gonna make a mixture of fruit. Maybe kind of like a fruit salad, as you will. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 of the same thing because, I mean, why not? What am I missing? Oh, I'm gonna go get a banana. I can't wait till the sunlight reaches the banana after we get a few more shine sprites. But anyways, now I've got my mixture. Now, mixtures can be are made up of different things, different types of matter. As you can see, one type of matter that I have is a melon, I believe. Another type of matter I have is a chili pepper. We've got 2 pears, which I can easily physically separate, and then I've got that banana. So I just took that mixture apart, and that's kind of what defines the difference between mixtures and solutions. Solutions are pretty difficult to take apart, and mixtures are simple. They don't dissolve and create something new, which is evenly spread throughout, which is what a solution is. Salt water is evenly spread throughout the entire ocean. Anyways, guys, the next thing that we're gonna do is go and read some text about mixtures and solutions, which will then lead into a virtual lab where we get to explore different types of mixtures and solutions and how you can take apart different types of mixtures. But anyways, come along with me and I'll show you guys what we're gonna do. All right, so what you guys are going to be doing today is you'll be exploring mixtures and solutions. Your learning goal for today is to understand the properties of mixtures and solutions, and you'll know that you've mastered the learning goal when you can describe the properties of mixtures and solutions with examples. Now, the first thing you're going to do in your group of 4, we're placing you into breakout rooms of 4, is you guys are going to read through this article. You can divide it up by 4 paragraphs. I see 1 paragraph, 2, 3, and then 4. And then afterwards, once your group is done reading, each of you can, on your own, click the virtual lab and listen to the instructions. So here it says, welcome. Here in the Chemical Disposal Lab, technicians are responsible for the safe disposal of all chemicals used and created by Holt Virtual Laboratories. Today, you can assist with a fun project. Your first task will be to separate the components of a mixture of iron filings, sand, and salt, using the equipment in the lab. You will find 3 empty glass containers to store the separated components of the mixture. There are many ways you could separate the components. I am so sorry, my kitty is meowing. Your goal is to separate the components using the fewest possible steps in the least amount of time. You can refer to the equipment manual and material facts file when you need more information. Have fun! And then once you do this, you guys can always read the instructions by clicking here. if you need to do this at any point. And then we're going to click all of the lab materials, and we're going to click enter, and we're going to find the most logical way to separate our components. You guys can read through that on your own, but here's your mixture of iron, filings, sand, and salt, and good luck, guys. Have fun.